Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can actually go ahead and add payment method on Tim Hortons. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, the first thing you would do is you can go ahead and access your Tim Hortons app in your mobile phone. You can go to your timhortons.com, search it up in your browser, and you can access your official website of Tim Hortons as well. Once you have done so, what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead go to this home section, and you will tap on this account option over here, which will give you this kind of interface including all your payment methods, what we want to add. Right, we're gonna go ahead, tap on this payment method option, and this will give us an option called add new payment method, add time card. If you add Tim card, if you do have available, we want to make it Tim card your payment method, you can tap on it, or you can tap on this and add new payment method. You can go ahead first. So in my case, I do have to verify my email. For the matter, if you have already verified, you're gonna go ahead, you will be able to tap on the information of your card or debit or credit card that you would like to choose to add. Enter the debit or credit card number, enter the expiry date, and then you will be able to tap on the confirm option. You will be able to add yourself a payment method right over there. So this is basically it, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching this. I'll see you guys in our next video.